Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at another case for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Now this case is made by TORRAS. They make great cases. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the TORRAS magnetic and stand for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL case. Fit, MagSafe, 12-foot military drop protection, slim fit, case built in, all right, translucent back, all right, $32.99 on Prime. You do have a coupon for 5%. You can check that out. And, I've used these cases before. They feel really good in the hand, very well built, and the kickstands are amazing, all right? So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this case. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the case right here. Now, this is the black version. You got the translucent back. You got the MagSafe in the back right there, and you got a kickstand right here, all right? Kickstand works great. You got an opening for the camera, and it's covered. And you can see it kind of tapers into the side of the case there like the older Pixels were. So you got that look right there. And this is the kickstand right here. It sits in here pretty nicely. And it's got that angle that they started using with this TORRAS. And it works pretty well in both all angles there. You can use it. Snaps in pretty nicely. Now, it's got a grippy sides. It's matte, but it's grippy. And you got a opening for you have the power button and the environment down rocker is kind of open around there. And you got openings for the mic, charging port, and the speaker right there. You got some branding on this area right here. And you got an opening for the speaker right there, all right? The back is smooth and curved on the back right there, so it's not sharp or anything. So it's going to be comfortable to hold. All right, let's get the device, put it inside, and see how that looks. Okay, we got the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL right here. Let's go ahead and put the case on, see how that looks. All right, so you can see the case fits nicely. You got a little bit of lip right there, all around the case, so that's going to be protected. And you got protection for the camera in the back. You can see that right there, no problem. And you got the power button that works pretty well. All the buttons are pretty easy to press. Everything lines up right there. You see the hole for the mic, speakers right there. Same thing for this mic hole up top. Everything lines up nicely, all right? Feels good in the hand when you hold it. Now, the kickstand, as I said, I tried it without the phone inside, but I'm going to show you how it works with the phone inside. You know, it leans up pretty good right there. And you can stand it up, all right? And you can put it this way as well, all right? This is the best way right here. But it works in several angles there, all right? Now, we're going to check out the MagSafe, show how that works, and the wireless charge. Okay, we got this MagSafe charger right here. We're going to go ahead and pop it on the back. All right, so you can see that. It is charging, and it holds up the case. The magnet is very strong, all right? So it holds up pretty good. You can see everything works, no problem there. So that works pretty well. Okay, we got the wireless charger right here. Let's put this on. So it works good with wireless charging. Stand it up. No problem there. Let's lay it to the side, see what happens. Same thing, works pretty good there. So wireless charging works well. Okay, so that was a quick look at the TORRAS MagSafe kickstand case, translucent back for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Great case, a little expensive, but you get good quality with this case right here. So I'll put the link in the description for if you want to get it. If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.